In this video we're going to have some more practice with chamfers and fillets, and also using a point on a sketch to make a hole using the hole tool. And also we're going to use the emboss tool to write a name on a surface, or write words on a surface. So let's start out with what we're supposed to do. So we're going to have a 60 by 40 slab, and this is in millimeters. So we need to make sure we use the millimeter template. So there we go. And let's make our sketch here. So it is 60 by 40. 60 by 40. Okay, and before we finish the sketch, we want to put a chamfer on the left side and a fillet on the outside. So on a sketch, fillet and chamfer are one of the drop downs. Let's start with chamfer. So chamfer is just a chopping off the corner, so to speak, and this top one will give us the same distance on each edge, and we want that to be 6 millimeters. So we can click the corners here, and okay, this one's complaining because it's pinned to the it's constrained to the origin. A lot of times you can get away with getting it to work. There we go. So if that doesn't work, then you can just go and you can delete the coincident constraint that keeps it at the origin. Now, instead of a chamfer, let's do a fillet at 6 millimeters for the radius. So we'll have it over there and over here. And it'll look something like that. Okay. Is that the right size? 60 by 40. $60 by 20. I knew that looked a little weird. Finish this edge. Now, unfortunately, when we're dealing with metric template, the sketch is rotated in a weird way. I don't know why that is. Just Inventor doing its thing. However, we're told that we want to extrude this out to a thickness of 4 millimeters. So let's go ahead and extrude that at 4 millimeters. And then we're told that we want to make a hole. We're told that we want to make a hole that is 5 millimeters from the end and 10 millimeters from the top. So I'm going to do this in silence, maybe due to the noise that we have going on outside here. So this distance here to here would be 5. As you'll recall, when you have a point on a sketch and you finish the sketch, whenever you hit the hole, even if you have multiple points, if you hit the hole, it's going to find every single hole you have, and it's going to every single point that you have, and it's going to make a hole there. And we're told that the diameter of this one is 5 millimeters. So let's put in 5 here. Did I put in 5? I put in 4. 5. Okay. Then we are told that we want to make this thing easier to handle, we want to put some fillets or roundovers on those areas, and they are 2 millimeter radius fillets. So let's go back to, now we can go to the fillet tool for a feature, 2 millimeters right there, right there, right there, and right there. Apply. Okay. And there we have our piece. And now what we want to do is create some text and emboss it on there. So let's do that. So we can use the, we need to put a sketch down there. And then we can put text here. So I'll click there. And I'm going to put Mr. Jones. And to get that to change, you got to grab it and then change the size. If you don't grab it before changing the size, it won't change it. Just more inventor fun there. Okay, I'm going to leave it right there and not worry about centering it. So as I finish here, I can then use the emboss tool. So the profile I want is that, and I want to go in a distance, I think we're told 8.8 millimeters. And what should happen here is that went in and went in 0.8 millimeters. Okay. And what we can do is scoot up here and we can click inside there, right click. Let's see. How do we, okay, click, right click. Let's see, trying to change the color of that face down there. Usually we can just, there we go. If I right click there, properties, that's it. And then we can change it to black. Okay. Oh, all of those should change. Why didn't all of them change? Maybe I need to have it selected like that. Let me try that. Properties. No. Oh, maybe yes. So black. Okay, there we go. And say we want to make this thing orange. We can. And there's our name tag. So for this, what I'd like for you to do, that's a good question. What would I like for you to do? We want to, again, get the volume, even though there'll be a little bit of variation there. So you want to save this first, so your name is on here, last name, first name, underscore, I think it's name tag. And then get the volume, get a screenshot of the part, the browser, and the volume, and Dropbox that. Thanks for watching.